Hello Taurus, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for April 1st to April the 7th reading. So this is our weekly, no? Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po yung nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Ayan, kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel. That is Babaylan TV. No, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading, or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So, Taurus, ang nakikita natin, parang meron tayong hahamigin, i-harvest. And this is going to happen very, very soon. Maybe, ito na nga, yung first week ng April. Matagal na natin itong inaantay. No? Whether it is money, malaking pera, whether it is pag-ibig, no? Request, ayan, napakadami. Matagal na nating hinihingi. Whether sinabi na natin itong in verbal or through action. Chances are, for a few numbers, yung maliit na percentage, no? Yung iba nagmakaawa pa nga dito, no? Para ibigay mo na sa akin, no? I deserve it. It could also be something na sinasabi nating I deserve this position, no? Kung itong reading na ito ay single ka, no? Or merong crush or nasa no label kayong relationship, parang ito na yung week para sasabihin sa inyo na, alam mo, bakit hindi natin italon ito into another level of commitment, no? Magkakaroon na tayo. I'm seeing celebrations in here, no? I'm seeing celebrations, pero why the Five of Pentacles in here? I-check natin na, i-pause natin to for a little while, the Five of Pentacles. Pero ang nakikita natin dito, yun nga, meron tayong pag-gather, no? If you are in a relationship or married couple, I believe bibigyan tayo. Either this is a bonus, this is a gift, this might be yung sweet nothings, no? I also believe na hindi ito maliit na bagay eh. Hindi lang ito bulaklak, hindi lang ito sinabi. I think that this is more of in this 3D, no? Something that we can feel, touch, smell, see, no? If you are in a third party situation, what I am seeing in here, baka tatapusin yung third party at ikaw ang pipiliin, no? So magiging hindi na ito third party, magiging relationship na talaga, which is a two-way street, no? When it comes to the career and job, I feel like ito yung part na kung naghahanap ng trabaho, makakakuha ng specific na company, no, na tatanggapin tayo. Kung career naman ito, I believe na ito yung inaantay nating incentives, rewards, perks, no, position, yung promotion, ayan. Finances, naku, kung ito yata yung week na kailangan nating mag-take ng risk, no? Pero calculated risk, no? Kung naniniwala ka sa, kung lagi ka tumataya sa lotto, then why not? Kasi the Wheel of Fortune, this is a wheel pull of fortune na parang biglaan, no? This is higher than the Ten of Pentacles. So parang biglang ulan. Plus, your oracle card is prosperity begins. Chances are, matagal mo na itong ginagawa. Kung matagal mo nang ginagawa, I'm seeing meron tayong mahamig, no? So, baka naman, pag nanalo, huwag tayong makalimot. Ayan. So, kung ito'y wealth, no, kung tayo nag-aantay, ay napakaganda the start. Kung tayo nag-aantay, no, na meron tayong yung mana, titulo, what have you, I think that this is also the week. Now, the star, the Page of Swords, the Queen of Swords, the Five of Swords, and the Emperor. So, ang nakikita natin dito, baka naman kasi with the Five of Pentacles, kaya nga sinabi ko, maya-maya natin itatakol yun. Baka kasi sinasabi natin na, ay, nawawala na ako ng gana. Or I will just leave it there, no? Hindi ko na lang siya bibigyan ng pansin. So, I don't want you to be in this position dahil nakakita ko ng signing of contract. The Page of Swords is here. No, I'm seeing rewards. I'm seeing bigla ang changes. Parang turnover. Para siyang, ito yung sinasabing bilog ang mundo. No? Kung ikaw ay nasa baba, I'm seeing mapupunta ka naman sa taas. And I hope that you're gonna stay there for a little, for a long time. No? And the wheel is in here. Ito nga yung tinatawag nating pag-ikot, pag-revolve, pag-evolve. I believe that there is a huge evolution, a life-changing event that's going to happen. I just don't want you to use this new either position, status in life, no? Na gawin itong paraan para makapag dikta ng buhay ng iba. With the Queen of Swords kasi in here, parang you have the chance, you really have the power to do that, but I don't really want you to do it kasi, di ba, there's free will. We cannot and we should not, use this power na binigay sa atin ng may kapal, di ba? Kung siya nga nagbigay ng free will, bakit tayo manipulate ng buhay ng ibang tao? With the Five of Swords in here, I think matagal mo na itong pinaglalaban. Tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, medyo matagal mo na siyang ginagawa. Merong pabugso-bugsong pagkapanalo, no? Merong, kung relationship ito, may pabugso-bugsong pinapansin tayo, merong pabugso-bugsong nabibigyan tayo ng importansya. But I feel like laser focus sa atin ngayon itong person na ito, itong energy na ito. What I am seeing in here is the Emperor. Nako, Emperor and the Empress, no? They are higher than a king. So, kung sinasabi nating isa tayong munting mamamayan, no? I feel like we were gonna have something to say in the society, no? Kung tumatakbo ka, no? Usong-uso yan ngayon. So, ngayon pa lang, congratulations. Kasi nakikita ko dito, even with the stars in here, biglang pagkapanalo. I hope that you won't use this, yun nga lang, no? Para mag-corrupt. Kasi with the Wheel of Fortune in here, ito yung sinasabi natin, porket nanalo, biglaan, no? Biglaan din ang yaman. So don't. Kasi what I am seeing, there's divine justice in whatever, this reward is going to be given to us. And this is going to happen again real soon. No? Doon sa mga naghahanap ng relationship, I feel like say goodbye na, no, to your singlehood. So ito na yung sinasabi nating, wow, so biglang sumakses, no? Ito yung biglang sumakses. Let's check, no, yung zodiac sign. Pero gusto ko lang pong ipaalam sa inyo na doon po sa kabilang channel na Babaylan TV, yun po ang unang channel saan tayo nagla-live. So pwede po kayong sumali. Kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no na sagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information. Nandun yung name, number, QR code, and amount per question for your reference. Ayan. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. That is already discounted. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Sumali din po kayo sa Facebook para sa free personal reading. Meron po tayong pinned video doon. No? April 1st, i-announce na natin yung winner. So let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I am seeing Taurus. Baka kapwa Taurus ito. Taurus agad yun nasabi ko, no? Aries, I'm seeing Cancer, Leo, Sagittarius, Virgo, Aquarius. Yan. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po, no? Sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.